Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today I'm going to be playing a song by Travis Green, You Waited, and I'm going to be playing in the key of F. Alright. Alright. So I'm going to be showing you the chords of the song verse by verse, and then show you how it's played. So it starts on the chord 1, then moves on the chord 4, 6, and then comes to 5. So so the beginning, the chord 1, this is how it's the first stanza is a chord 4, and then you play a 6, then 5. It runs like that, 5, then it ends on 1, then just for me, and then it plays. It's a 1, 3, 4. So this chord 1 for you, chord 3 for you, and then chord 4. So okay, so it's the notes you're playing an octave apart. Sorry. The verse of the song starts. 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 6, 5, then it ends on 1, then you waited for me, yes, for me. He played it twice. You waited for me, yes, for me. Then it moves to 4. So where would I be? 6, 5, 3, 4. So from the 6 to the 5, you maintain your 5th chord, and then you play it over the 3rd chord, and then you move to your chord 4. Where would I be if you let? Then you play you waited, waited, waited From there you play chord 1, and then you move to chord 7. Your 7 on your left, and then your 5th chord on your right. So sorry, and then where would I be if you let me? With this punch. Where would I be if you let me? Where would I be if you let me? Yeah, and the end on the chord 1. Alright, so these are the chords you should know. You should definitely know chord 1, chord 2, and how you play it, and then chord 3. You should know your chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 7, and then back to chord 1. So by knowing these chords, you should be able to play the progression that I showed you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.